Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I will show you how to align inserted shapes in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document and insert some shapes. Now we can see here three shapes: rounded rectangle, ellipse, or cube. Now we want to align this inserted shape. Firstly, we select these multiple shapes. Click the first shape and press shift on your keyboard. Then press another shapes. And we can see here we select these multiple shapes. Now we go to the format menu and we can see here many option. We find and select the align option. Here this aligned, and we can see here many align. We align these shapes left or center or align right or more than align, like align top, align middle or bottom, etc. Now we can see here we align this inserted shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.